Mirror, mirror on the wall, what is the best coffee of them all? That's the question, because right now there are so many different coffees. Coffees that we've had and new coffees coming out all the time. Coffees with mushrooms and this and that in it. There's a ton. What's my favorite right now? Well, right now, I am loving what we call the magic coffee. Why magic coffee? Because you can put it in your body and feel the magic happening. This coffee is by a brand new company called Agarlife, and you are going to be hearing so much about it because the company's incredible and this product is incredible. And while we're talking, I'm just going to go ahead and make mine cup for the day. So the coffee is not something you grind. It comes in a bag. It's powder. So here's what I want you to understand. This coffee, the coffee itself, let me just tell you, the coffee itself is dark roast. It's all organic. It's certified non-GMO. It's mold-free. So the coffee itself is of the highest quality. So that's number one. But you know what? This coffee is not really about the coffee. The coffee is just a way to get this beautiful botanical formula in your body. And we know that we Americans love us some coffee, right? So what a great way to get the formula, this metabolic support in your body without having to change any kind of habit, right? We all have our coffee habit. I'm just going to add a little hot water to it right now. And I happen to love using my non-dairy creamer that I got, this new pods. I'm going to add a little of that, and I'm going to do a bit of a stir so you can play with you here while you're watching me make my beautiful magic coffee. I love this stuff. So here's what I want you to know. We decided when we are marketing this new magic coffee that instead of having people run right to some website and some shopping cart and say, hey, get this bag of coffee, when you don't even know if you're going to like the coffee. Listen, everybody says their coffee's the best, right? I don't care whether it's some network marketing company or just another Shopify site. Everybody's like, you're going to love this coffee. Here it is. And we're going to give you a risk-free blah, blah, blah. Well, you know what? Here's the thing. I love the coffee, and the coffee will actually give you a felt sense of energy, focus, motivation, which is kind of crazy, right? Deep sleep, appetite control, craving reduction, and hopefully as a side effect, yes, even weight loss. Although I don't like to really market it like that because, you know, if somebody doesn't lose their 15 pounds in 3 days, it's like, this didn't work. It works. I'm just here to tell you. But instead of having you run right off and just trust me on that, we are selling 5-day sample packs. We know usually within, well, the first day, but let's just say 3 to 5 days, you're going to know, do you love this coffee? Do you love how it makes you feel? Now you're going to come back to me and say, hey, Renee, where do I get another bag of this coffee? That's what I want. I don't want you to have to spend all kind of money or commit to a whole bag. And then you come back and say, oh, Renee, I thought you said, and then I feel badly, right? I don't want that. So that's why we are selling 5-day samples for $15. Yes, you're not going to get the samples for free. You need to have a little bit of skin in the game, okay, and to even help offset the cost for shipping. Let me just sip on my loving magic coffee. It truly does taste delicious. It doesn't taste like mushrooms. Yes, there's one mushroom in here, okay? Just one, lion's mane. And it's not the same quality of lion's mane you're going to get in a capsule or find anywhere else. The botanicals in here were sourced from the highest quality possible from around the world. All right, you get it. It's magic coffee. It is magic. Let me know, do you want to just give it a try for $15 for 5 days and you put it in your body, and you come back and let me know, is it really magical?